We are really delighted to have Dan here in the middle of not only this great book tour, but all these other incredible things that he does. I have no idea how he does. ABC, Live PD, all the websites he manages. Dan, how do you, an octopus, you have more arms than an octopus, yeah.
Well, to do a book like this, that means you need a great co-author, which is why David Fisher, who's here, was instrumental in helping to me to make this a reality. Because without him, this doesn't happen. So.
And that was going to be my next thing. Is I wanted to introduce David to everybody. Dan's equal partner in this incredible endeavor. David, would you mind standing up, please?
David Fisher, yes.
My first question is actually to both of you. Why'd you decide to write Lincoln's Last Trial?
Well, I'll tell you that David came to me and basically said, there's a transcript out there, and it's the only transcript that exists of any case that Lincoln ever argued. And it was only found in 1989. And it was found in a box in the home of the great-grandson of the defendant. And no one's written anything about it. I said, come on, can't really be that the only transcript that exists of a Lincoln trial was found in 1989 and no one is doing anything on it. And that it just, happens that we're going to be the lucky ones to get to investigate this and write about it. And he was absolutely right. There'd been a short New York Times article and an American Bar Association analysis of some of the legal issues that arose. And apart from that, it had become a footnote to history. And I think that once we started digging in to this, we realized that it's actually even more interesting than just a transcript of a Lincoln trial, but it's from 1859, from 9 months before he gets the Republican nomination. And it's a really compelling murder trial. And it was a close case, and the lawyering mattered. And so it had all the makings of an amazing story, which I hope translated into the form of the book.
David, when is this going to be put on the silver screen? It's a mind-blowing story for every reason that Dan just said eloquently.
Well, we hope.
Forget about the problem is Spielberg, David, Spielberg did he took the wrong script.
Yeah.
He did the wrong film and stuff. He just needed to wait for a couple more years, and he could have won Best Picture instead of just Best Actor for Daniel Day-Lewis.
Well, I mean, if you look at, oddly enough, for that picture, Liam Neeson was supposed to play Lincoln and had been signed to play Lincoln for several years. And he has said that he's been looking for a Lincoln project since. So, I mean, he would be perfect. And